What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. A little project I got going on here. Painting the whole interior halls, common areas of my house. I got some railings for my stairs. I'm going to I'm going to take an angle grinder with a grinding pad. I think I'm just going to do the top, try and smooth it out. I'm not going to go nuts on these. I don't think it looks too bad. I might do the bottom, I might not. I mean, like I said, it's a railing going down. I could just hit that with some paint. The only reason why I want to take it down the top a little bit is to get rid of these brush marks and, this type of, clean it up a little bit, make it look good. So let's get started. I'm going to use the Hypertough angle grinder. Alright guys, like I said, I don't really want to overcomplicate this. We're just going to grind this down and see what we get. It's a 60 grit flap disc. I think I have dead batteries here. If that's the case, no video. Got another battery here. So far though, it works great. And this is exactly what I would use this angle grinder for. So that's with the 1.5 amp hour battery, the only one I have charged up. This is what this will be perfect for, is just little home projects like this where you want to take the paint off and you have a little bit of finish still on there, and it is getting it. A little too bright there, but we'll do this spot right here. Gone. It's not powerful, but this is exactly its intended purpose for little home projects like this. So far I really like it. I'll keep doing reviews on it whenever I get a chance to use it. But as always, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Finished product of the railings I did in my house. I think they turned out pretty good.